Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can customize and edit the WooCommerce product page, so let's get right into it. Now, we'll be using this guide by Elementor, and I will be referring to Elementor as the tool which you should use. I do recommend it. It is a very useful thing to do, and I am showing you this blog post because I do not have a WooCommerce subscription at the moment. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Now, Elementor is very easy to use, and you can just select the default WooCommerce product template and edit it from there. And this is what the basic one looks like. And with Elementor, you can play around with the layout of the product page. And to customize it, you can just create a single product template. And from there, you need to choose a pre-designed product page template or create your own if you want to. However, I do recommend choosing a template to save time and editing it from there. Now, you can add the product widgets, which will make up your page, such as the cart button, breadcrumbs, product title, product images, a short description, the price, the rating, the metadata if you want, the add to cart button, upselling, etc., etc. And you have a lot of widgets which you can use to customize your page this way. And you just need to play around with them, search for the ones you want, and that should be all. Now, once you're done with that, you can optimize the page speed with image compression, make sure that any animations are disabled, make sure the pictures are not larger than they need to be. And then once you're done with everything, you just need to preview the product page with another product from your store. Now, once you're done with that, you can go ahead and set up the conditions which determine where your product template will appear. Certain conditions will specify which products you want those new templates to appear on. However, usually you can just, I'm not sure why that's just scroll down. I do apologize. But yeah, usually if you don't set up any triggers or any conditions, it will just apply to all products across the board, and that is pretty much all there is to it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.